Have you noticed a decrease in your private pay caseload this year? I spoke to a lot of therapists who are experiencing this sort of drop in private pay clients. They have less leads coming into their practice, less calls. Some people don't stick because they're looking for insurance-based practices. So if you are one of them, you're not imagining it. It's happening. Now, there's a lot of things that are happening in the market that contribute to that. There's an issue of inflation, economic uncertainty. There's a lot of layoffs that are happening. Prices are higher because of inflation, as I said, and people have just less money available for private pay therapy. And also, people turn to AI sometimes to talk about their problems and also turn to subscription-based therapy from bigger platforms.